determinism. Determinism basically defined the structuralism, Hamza. What is structuralism? Structuralism are the forces which basically drives the individual actions.
Yeah.
Hamza, one thing you have to remember that if I ask you that what is society, or Hamza, if like you can consider yourself, you have a body, okay? Your eyes, your
Yeah.
ears, your tongue, everything are your organisms. Is that so or not? If any
Yeah.
of your organism is not working properly, your whole body will be influenced, or your whole body will struggle, because one
Yeah.
of your organism is not working properly. So in the sociology,
Yeah.
we give society as a body priority. As we give the priority to our body, so society is like a body, and all the institutions who are working within a society are known as the organism of that particular society. So if any one of institution, or if any institution who is not working properly, because they are like an organism, that means whole body will be impacted. Is that so or not?
Yeah.
So you can say that if somebody asks you to define the societies, you can say that the society is made up of multiple institutions. Are you agree with that kind of definitions or not?
Yes.
That society is basically the combination of different different institutions, or it is a made up of different kind of institution?
So can't I just say society is this society is built up of institutions that affect the way a human grows.
Yes, perfect. And these
Okay.
institutions basically drive the human actions. If you are working
Yeah.
in Pakistan, you have a particular kind of actions. If you are living in some kind of a Europe, in Australia, or in some kind of Arab states, or in African state, you have particular kind of actions, and all these actions have been derived from your institutions.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a distortion from your side. Can you control it?
No, sir. There's work going downstairs now.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Are you getting my point? What is the society, and what are the definition of the social institutions?
Yes, I get all of it.
So determinism, the last point we are discussing in today's lecture. Determinism basically define the structuralism, or it is a part of the structuralism that suggests that every forces who are working within a society that basically drive the human actions, or every human action is driven by these structural forces, these structural institutions who are basically compels the human being. These structural forces might be utilized by state. They basically make some kind of rules, some kind of a law. Why? Because they want to maintain, they want to stable order within a society. Are you getting my point? So everything which basically developed by the society, sorry, the state, who are basically working within a society, their main function is just to maintain the stability within a society. So structural forces, you can say, are those forces which basically linked with the conformity. Conformity mean that if government is making some kind of a law, everyone will follow, Hamza. Is that so or not? It's a very easy concept. That structuralism basically linked with the conformity, that every person will agree that yes, we have to do this. Everyone in the society need to do this. But some of the people who may disagree, who may comes into the heading of non-conformity, that they have a free will. They said we are basically disagree with that particular rules of the society, particular rules of that state, or particular rules of the social institutions. Might be possible if I ask you that what you considering that this is the negative practice which basically everyone doing in that particular society. You have maybe plenty of things. You may disagree with some kind of a rules, regulations, or some kind of a things which basically practicing in your society. So why you are disagree? Because of your free will. Because every person believes that leads toward the particular actions. If everyone agree with the rules of that particular state, what will happen? Society will be stabilized. And if you are not agree, mean if you have a free will, what you will do? You will disagree with the rules of that particular society, and what will happen? The stability will be disturbed. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, I get it.
The rules is made by, or the rules made by your state, that you can't kill anyone at any rate in any circumstances. But still, Hamza, you have seen that many people do that. Why they do that? Because of their free will. At the same time, they are disagree. The reason could be anything, but still they unfollow the law. And what will happen? The stability in the society will be damaged, or will be harmed.